Are you struggling to reach your leads on multiple platforms? In this video, I'll show you how to double your reach by combining email and SMS campaigns in GoHighLevel for maximum engagement. Let's get started. Start by heading to your automation section. Click on Campaigns and select Create New Campaign. Choose Email as your channel and begin by adding your subject line and content. Make sure your message is clear, engaging, and includes a strong call to action. Now, let's add SMS to your strategy. In the same campaign, select Add Action and choose SMS. Here, you can personalize your message with tags like the lead's name. Keep your SMS short, direct, and actionable. Your goal is to prompt an immediate response. Automation is key to ensuring your messages are sent at the right time. You can create a sequence where an SMS follows an email after a certain time delay, maximizing engagement. Don't forget to experiment with different timings for optimal results. GoHighLevel offers in-depth analytics for both email and SMS campaigns. Be sure to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and responses to see what's working. This data will help you refine your messaging for better results. Ready to boost your engagement with multi-channel campaigns? Sign up for your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now, and don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. Links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching.